Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw on your picture on the Lumii-Photo Editor application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select a picture and go to the last option, the doodle next to the border at the lower right corner of the screen. And here you can select a line, and you can select the color. Just drag the circle on the line, the wanted color, and you can draw your picture and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.